Next question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. How can we calculate? So we have to assume that this should be in a circle. How many parts are divided? 8 ribs, correct? So I am dividing it into 8 parts. Now if you are checking here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts are there. Okay. So total it is 360 degree. So each should be equal to 360 divided by this 8, which is equal to what? 45 degree. So each angle should be equal to 45 degree. Okay. So we can write here there are 8 ribs in umbrella. The area between two consecutive ribs is subtending 360 degree divided by 8 is equal to 45 at the center of the circle. Okay. So again it is given that the radius of circle is 45 centimeters. So this radius we can take it as 45 centimeters. So theta is equal to, now we got it from here, 360 divided by this 8, that is equal to 45 degree. Next radius r is equal to, we got it now, 45 centimeter. We have to calculate area between two consecutive ribs of the circle. That means these are the two consecutive ribs. So we have to calculate area of this one. How can we calculate? We can calculate the area of sector. So area of sector is equal to theta divided by 360 into pi r square. What is theta here? Theta is equal to 45 degree divided by 360 into pi. It's not given in the question, or it is given, use pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. So 22 divided by 7 into radius is equal to 45. So 45 radius square. So 45 into 45. You should multiply 2 times. Okay. So after cancelling maximum possible values, you will get the answer is equal to 22275 divided by 28 centimeter square is the final answer. So easily we will get, only the difference is total angle is equal to 360. We are dividing it into 8 parts. So 360 divided by 8 is equal to 45. That should be the theta. We have to identify this angle. And radius is given. We have to find out two consecutive ribs area. That means area of sector. So by using these values, we can find out the area of sector. Next question number 11. What is question number 11? A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has blade of length 25 centimeter. So first wiper I marked here, that is 25 centimeter, which is given in the question. Sweeping through an angle of 115. So here it is making the angle 115 degree, which is given in the question. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of blades. Okay, so we have to find the area of each sweep. This is the first one, and next it is given that two wipers are there. So first wiper I denoted here, second wiper, sorry. So second wiper also same length 25 centimeter and 115 degree is making here. Only one measurement is given, but it is given that a car has two wipers which do not overlap. These two wipers do not overlap. Each wiper has blade of length, this 25 centimeter. We sweeping through an angle 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So we have to find the area cleaning this sweep and this sweep. How can we calculate? First of all, calculate the area of this one. And if you are calculating area of this sweep also, you will get the same answer because the measurements angle and length radius are equal. So we can write here, it can be observed that from the figure that each blade of wiper will sweep an area of a sector of 115 degree and of length of 25 centimeter radius. So I am calculating here area of sector is equal to what? Theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square. What is theta here? That is 115 degree divided by 360 degree into value of pi, which is given in the question, 22 divided by 7 into value of r. Radius is 25. So r square, that means 25 into 25. After cancelling maximum possibility values, we will get the answer is equal to 158,125 divided by 252 centimeter square. This is the area of one sector. We have to find out both, correct? So we have to multiply this answer into 2. Then we will get these two areas together. So area of two blades is equal to what? This 2 into area of 158,125 divided by 252. These two we can cancel. We will get here 126 because 252 divided by 2 is equal to 126. We will get the answer is equal to 158,125 divided by 126 centimeter square is the total area. So this is the required area. Clear?